So I have a bit more to do, of course. Got the wiring harness pretty much sorted out. I'm gonna have to integrate. These are from the Greddy E-Manage, so I still got to do the auxiliary injectors. I still have to plumb and fuel lines for the auxiliary injectors. I'm about to do a test run, so that's why my mass airflow and that is all connected here. Don't really have any plumbing for the turbo. Here's the exhaust outlet here. This belt length is 830 K6 if anybody's looking for a belt that fits. Luckily picked that size up at AutoZone, so that's with the Chevy Suburban pump and bracket. I think the 4.3, the earlier S10 bracket's the same as that. So anyway, I got pretty much everything hooked up except, of course, the oxygen sensor. Crawl in here. Some various things disconnected. Alright, stop beeping. Thank you. Alright. Focus. There we go. Oh! Yeah! I think we're going to be okay.